Hello and welcome to this brief video presentation. My name is Rakib Hussain and I will be sharing my thoughts on two campaigns conducted by Unilever Bangladesh. One is my favorite and another is my least favorite. There are some measurements which reveal the strength of a campaign, such as ROI, return on investment, consumer engagement, social impact, brand visibility, long-term effectiveness. My least favorite campaign is Our Web, a plastic awareness campaign. Here there are some objectives of Our Web. The goal was to educate students about plastic pollution. Our Web tried to engage school students to build more eco-friendly habits. Key messages of this campaign: be responsible with plastic waste. Reduce, reuse, recycle plastic. Every action counts. In this campaign, the target audience are school-going students and their families. This campaign conducted in 10 schools across Dhaka and Chattogram, directly reaching almost 1,000 students. This campaign possibly reached 20,000 people in total. There are some outcomes of this campaign: enhance brand reputation and leadership in sustainability, increase public awareness on plastic pollution, business growth through sustainable product innovation. My favorite campaign: Ace for Hand Washing campaign. Lifebuoy, in partnership with Pracrice, has launched a weekly Ace for Hand Washing campaign to teach effective hand washing technique to more than 3.5 lakh students in Bangladesh. Here are some objectives of Aids for Hand Washing campaign. Promote hand hygiene among children to prevent the disease. Use interactive way to enhance engagement and learning. There are some key messages in this campaign. H is for hand washing is a habit, not just an action. Learning through playing. Empowering schools as hygiene center. The target audience: primary school student in urban and rural area, parents and guardians to encourage hygiene practice at home, teachers and educators responsible for hygiene education. There are some outcomes of this campaign: massive reach, habitual change, community engagement, and innovative learning approach.